how to connect Cloud AI with n8n. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Cloud AI with n8n, which is no-code automation tool. Now, before we start, here's what you will need is first is a free or paid account at Anthropic Console to get your Cloud API key and access to n8n, either self-hosted or on the cloud. Right now, as you can see here, I am using the cloud version. So, no, sorry, I'm using the hosted version. So you can use the cloud version as well for this tutorial. Now, what you have to do is just simply you can just in the first step what you have to just add some triggered manual. This is manual triggered, and I will add this AI agent. Now what you have to do is just simply click on this plus icon and add Anthropic chat model. So as you can see, I have already this Anthropic account. Now in order to do to get your API link, what you have to do is just go to Anthropic console.developer dashboard. So if you don't know what it is, so from here you can generate API link for your automation. Now, as you can see here, right now I am using this account, but if you are coming for the first time, what you can do is just sign up with your account, and into that you will get to see something like this. Now, if you click on this get API key, it will ask you. So these are some keys which I have created. So these are some basic keys. So just simply begin building with cloud for only $5. Click on this buy credit, and from here you can buy $5 of USD for your Anthropic. So in order to get started with the API, you have to purchase their credits. So if you go and see the cost of theirs, so right now I haven't used anything. So as you can see, total token cost, total web search post, and total code execution. Now let's move to billing section. Now where you can see how much if you uses any tokens, how much it will cost you. So let's go to limits. Now as you can see here, the cloud ops 4 request per minute is 5 and input tokens per minute is 10,000 and output tokens per minute is 400 or 4,000. So you can just compare, come over here and you can start comparing how you can, which should you can use. If you don't know what is tokens, so tokens is basically a word. So let's example, let's say this is how can I help you. So this is basically 5 token, I guess. Just copy this, and if you want to just count these tokens, you can count. So basically, if you don't know what is tokens and you are not able to compare your price, you can just uh, go for it, and you can compare these prices based on your tokens, based on your output tokens. So choose your whatever model you want to choose, and then go to API keys. Click on the create API. Now this is just default. If you go, this default work is not editable and cannot be removed after that. Then you can add your name of your key. Let's say I will just add 1234 and click on this add. Now it will give you this copy key, and just keep record of the key below. You will not be able to view it again. So just copy and paste it or something else. And let's move back to our workflow. And let's create new workflow. Okay, we have already added. So workflow 1, let's see. Okay, this is my different workflow. Okay, there we go. Click on this Anthropic chat model and click on this create credential. Now over here, you have to paste the API keys and click on the save button. So it will test, and as you can see here, a bad request is given because and I haven't purchased any, I haven't purchased the credits. So that's why the error is showing. But you have to purchase before you're using, and from here you can select the model, which model you want to use. So yeah, this is how you can connect your Anthropic to n8n and start using it. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.